Let's learn how to make a chain stitch. First, start with a slip knot. If you need help making one, check out my separate tutorial linked in the description. Grip the crochet hook comfortably and keep the yarn steady. Yarn over, that is, wrap the yarn over the hook from back to front. Gently pull the hook through the loop on it. This forms your first chain stitch. Alright, let's do another one. Yarn over, wrap the yarn over the hook from back to front. Pull through. Keep your tension consistent for neat stitches. If the chain is too tight or too loose, adjust your grip and tension to achieve even stitches. Continue the yarn over and pull through process to create a chain. That's it, your first chain stitch. Keep practicing and soon you'll be chaining with ease.